Hello everybody, and here we are with another video. In this one, we're going to be sharing how to make any page interactive. Now, this can be any Newsella article, really any website whatsoever, and the tool that we're going to be looking at to do that is called Insert Learning. So here we go. The first thing that you want to do is add the Google Chrome extension, and yes, you have to be in Google Chrome in order for this to work. So you're going to go to insertlearning.com and you want to click Add to Chrome. It's free. So it will take you to the Chrome web store. You're going to click Add to Chrome and Add Extension. And it will need to talk to your Google Classroom or your Microsoft account. So I'm going to click Sign Up with Google because that's what I have. I'm just going to go through these prompts here. I can give a name of class if I want. I'm going to share this to Google Classroom, so I'm just going to click Not Right Now. You can name your class if you want. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. All right. So after you go through all of that stuff, you're going to have your dashboard here. I'm just going to leave that be for right now because over here I have my Google Chrome extension. Okay. So let's pretend that I am wanting to have my students look up Panda or read an article over Panda. I want to find something on Panda Express. Let's see. I'm going to go to this Wikipedia page, even though you probably don't want to do that for your class. So any website will work, okay, except for PDFs. We tried this in a PDF. It did not work. So I'm going to click Insert Learning. And it brings up this little menu over here to the side. Once I have that menu, I can click this, the highlight text. So I just highlight my text and it will highlight it. I can then click that little plus sign if I want to enter a comment. So then when students click on it, they can see my note. I can insert a sticky note. I can also insert a video. So if I open up my computer here, I'll turn on my camera, then I can record a video of myself. So, okay, students, whenever you're reading this, I want you to think about the Great Pandas, whatever you want to say.
Okay, students, whenever you're reading this, I want you to
use that video. And it will be in there for my students to use, so that's pretty cool. Now, one of my favorite features is this insert a question. So here I can insert any question that I want. There's also question stems that I can use if I want to do that. And I can make it be worth points if I want. So I'm going to click create. And then the students will be able to insert their question directly inside of there. That is awesome. And you will be able to see it. There's also a discussion. So if you wanted your students to discuss a certain part of the article, they do have to log in with their Google Chrome, so you will be able to see who posts here. You can have a discussion and they can see one another's responses. Now, once you're finished and you have all of the components added that you want, you're going to be able to click these three dots. And you can see this as a student. So it looks almost just like what we saw. I'm going to click it again. And I can share this with teachers if I have other teachers that I'm co-planning with. But I'm going to go ahead and click Assign to Students. Now here I can create a new class or I can assign it to my Google Classroom. So I'm going to click Google Classroom. It'll make sure that I'm to my right account. I have to give it permission to talk that first time. And I will be able to select the Google Classroom that I want to post this assignment in, and I can click Share to Class. I could click that little calendar if I wanted to add some directions or a due date or whatever. And now that will be available inside of my Google Classroom. So that is called Insert Learning. And then if I go back to insertlearning.com, I can click here to see my assignment. Hopefully that was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please reach out to me. I'm Stella Pollard, and I will be happy to help. Thanks.